If you're having trouble logging into TikTok using Facebook, don't worry, we're here to help. In today's video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to fix this issue. So let's get into it. First, let's make sure you're entering the correct login information. Open the TikTok app and tap Login. And here select Continue with Facebook option. Now ensure you're entering the correct Facebook credentials. Click on Continue here and simply allow the TikTok to open Facebook so that you can log in through TikTok. If you can log in into Facebook but still can't access TikTok, try clearing the cache for both the TikTok and Facebook apps. Next, ensure that both apps are up to date. Go to your app store and make sure Facebook and TikTok both are updated. Now, if you're still experiencing issues, try logging into TikTok through a web browser. And that's it. Hopefully, this step have helped resolve your TikTok login issues with Facebook.